What's going on, everybody? It's AquaLeaderJesse back again with another Pro Wrestling Symphony reaction. Last time we watched The Good Hand versus Country Boy Coots Finesse and Adrian Thomas. And we have Mad Dog Connelly versus Jake Painter. I remember back at Rise Up, Jake Painter demanded a match, and they gave him a match against this lovely fellow, Mad Dog Connelly. I keep circling my mouse even though you can't see it. The backbreaking artist Jake Painter was upset about being left off the Rise Up card in July, but perhaps he should have counted his blessings because at Hot Fuss he found himself across the ring from one of the most dangerous men in the business, Mad Dog Connelly. So let's see it.
I'm Rory T. Miller here alongside Connor Casey for Pro Wrestling Symphony Hot Fuss. And Connor, I am stoked about the arrival of one Mad Dog Connelly.
You're stoked? I'm terrified.
Master of the dog collar match.
Like Bruiser Brody and Mick Foley had a baby, and he's mean.
And he's carrying a chain everywhere he goes. The master of the dog collar match. This is not a dog collar match, mind you, but who are we to stop him from bringing this to the ring? One of the most dangerous individuals in all of professional wrestling. And I feel bad for anyone that's standing across the ring from him, but especially for his opponent tonight.
He needs a bit more of a what you would call a hook.
Has a kind of a forlorn look on his face there. Even Pat Dooley looking a bit confused. It seems that maybe Painter didn't really share much of what's happening here, but I'm sure there's a logical explanation here. Yeah.
This is hey, this is gonna be hard for me to say. I came here tonight to the Brooklyn Bowl to compete. I came here tonight to the Brooklyn Bowl to represent Pro Wrestling Symphony. And most of all, I came here for a fight with you, Mad Dog. But the doctors wouldn't clear me.
What?
The doctors wouldn't clear me to wrestle a freak.
Hey. Hold on.
Hey, come on now. They wouldn't clear me to wrestle an insane person. And listen, I get it. All of you here today wanted to see me break this maniac's back. But I gotta think about me. I gotta think about my career. I gotta think about tomorrow. I gotta think about next week. I gotta think about next month. And it's just not about today. So Mad Dog, I'm sorry to make you come all this way, brother, but it's not happening tonight. I'm sorry.
We don't have any official documentation. Painter didn't give us anything.
Wait a minute!
Oh, of course. Painter now blindsiding Mad Dog Connelly, just wailing in these shots here.
The bell is rung. This match is official.
It is official, but
And this is where Mad Dog Connelly gets his upper hand.
I don't think it works.
Mad Dog Connelly just rose from the corner. Oh, absolutely. Yeah, Jake, you stepped in it now. Mad Dog hammering in these soup bones into that corner. Oh, massive chop from Mad Dog Connelly.
Oh,
Huge.
wow, that looked like it hurt. Oh.
Big time, Larry.
I don't think you could have made Mad Dog even more angry, but Jake Painter found a way, and now
Wait a minute.
Oh, that
No.
guillotine choke, and that's it. It's academic. My goodness, that's
How?
probably the quickest match we've ever had here.
That has got to be a record. Wait, what now?
Hold on. Mad Dog Connelly just with a record-breaking victory here at Pro Wrestling Symphony.
I am tired of wasting my time. Pro Wrestling Symphony. I want more chaos. I want more violence. I want Shane Mercer.
Whoa! The Mad Dog just called out the
Iron Demon.
He says he wants chaos, he wants violence. A match between those two will give you exactly that.
All right. Well, that was fast. It was a quick match. But that'll do it for that match at Hot Fuss. Thank you everybody for watching. November 2nd, this coming Sunday, Pro Wrestling Symphony Demon Days. Catch your boy in the front row. Say hi if you're there. Check or stay tuned to the Pro Wrestling Symphony YouTube channel / IWTV channel, and subscribe to their YouTube channel regardless, because they need the support. They could use it. It's a brand new wrestling promotion. They could use the support to help them get up off the ground. Thank you everybody for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.